Well, hello there! My name is Eureka, and it's my job to light the way as students in grades K through 8 learn everything they can about STEM activities and careers through Char-Em ISD's Street STEM program. STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering and Math, the backbone of many career opportunities today and into the future. STEM careers can include anything from coding and robotics to welding, construction work, and all types of engineering. Environmental sciences, biology, cybersecurity, and even becoming an astronaut are some of the fields where STEM plays a huge role. So, how does Street STEM work? Come along with me and I'll show you how we roll. Teachers and schools can set up a time for our STEM consultant to visit their kindergarten through 8th grade classrooms. The STEM trailer arrives full of gear for a fun and learning-filled visit with students. They can try their hand at coding robots to follow commands, peer inside a 3D beating heart with virtual reality goggles, navigate drones through a variety of activities, and even learn how 3D laser engravers work. Talk about being on the cutting edge. Teachers and students will learn together how to use all the gadgets and activities shared that day. Teachers can then check out these materials at no cost to use at any time during the school year. Char-Em ISD has made this process simple for teachers to embrace all that STEM activities and challenges have to offer. Families can be excited too, knowing that local students are learning with the most current technologies available anywhere. Together, we plan to reach over 5,400 kids in Northwest Michigan through Char-Em Street STEM. When we grow young minds together, our students will have no limit to what they can achieve. Look for me, Eureka, at community events and during some classroom visits. I'll keep the light on for you. To learn more about Char-Em Street STEM, go online to www.charemistcareertech.org.